Since it's Chronic Inflammation Awareness Month, let's talk about the one change I made to feel better. I know this may not be very popular, but it's about giving up dairy. Now stay with me. At first, I didn't think it was a big deal. I knew dairy caused inflammation and I wanted to eliminate dairy from my diet while I was going through nutrition school. I wanted to see if it really made a difference. Shockingly, it changed everything. All of my nagging symptoms went away. My brain fog, my dull headaches, my adult acne, my joint pain. The whites of my eyes were even brighter. You see, dairy causes inflammation because it is made for a calf. That calf grows into a 1-ton animal very quickly. We, mostly Americans, are consuming pasteurized, processed dairy products almost all the time. Think breakfast, lunch, dinner, snacks. It's in everything. And we consume that much dairy, our body doesn't like it. Our body gets inflamed on the inside, the chronic inflammation that you can't see, and it starts breaking down. So then when you start having these symptoms, it's your body's way of saying, stop with that food that it is not made for me. And it's not made for me to consume it this much. A few things that I do in lieu of dairy is I have found some really good products. One of them is coconut yogurt by CocoJune. I love this yogurt. Number one, it's a probiotic. Number two, you would never know it's dairy-free. It's the creamiest yogurt I have ever bought. Something else that I buy is something called nutritional yeast. It is not active yeast, but it's a powdery substance and it gives your food a cheesy flavor. I add nutritional yeast to sauces, soups, marinades, dressings. It is a wonderful flavor enhancement that actually has antioxidants and protein. There are other great products like dairy-free nut milks. I love a cashew milk. That one is my favorite because cashew nuts are soft and their milk is creamier than most nut milks. Earlier in the week, I showed 3 recipes using CocoJune yogurt. Not only did I use it in a sauce, in a breakfast, there's many different ways that you can take a dairy-free yogurt and make something creamy and delicious. So make sure you go watch that video from earlier in the week when I used CocoJune yogurt 3 different ways. It will change your life. I think the best recipe I made using that yogurt was my herb chicken salad. I'll put the link below in the description for the recipes and for the video. If you're not ready to completely quit dairy and you don't have any major underlying symptoms, do one thing at a time. Maybe you give up your favorite dairy-ridden coffee creamer, or maybe you stop eating that bowl of ice cream every night while you watch TV. It's the little things. Now, I will say, if you have underlying symptoms and you're tired of them and you want to experiment, you need to eliminate something completely for about 21 to 30 days. This is gonna give your body a full reset so your body can tell you how it's doing. If you just partially eliminate, or if you go back to it after 4 or 5 days, your body doesn't have time to heal and to show you, yes, please, this is the problem. If you want to learn more about eating to reduce inflammation in your body, you should join my free masterclass called the No Diet Health Reset. Also put that link in the description below. That class starts Tuesday, and I would love to have you join me. It's a no-cost class to you, and it's all online. Have you tried going dairy-free? If so, what swaps worked for you? Tell us in the comments so you can help other people along their healthy eating journey. I'm so glad that you're here. I just want to offer you little nuggets that help you sustain a healthy lifestyle. Don't forget, it's not about the giant leaps. It's not about the extremes. It's about the day-to-day boring habits that you create in your kitchen that will set you up for an anti-inflammatory lifestyle. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe below, and I'll see you in the next video.